Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take I.C.T class for the students of class 6 on the topic of multiple choice question answer part 2. I am repeating, today our topic is multiple choice question part 2. Students, this is our 12th lecture. I'm repeating, this is our 12th lecture. Students, for today's class, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about M.C.Q. and you have to write the answers in your notebook. So let's begin. Students, in our earlier class, that means in lecture 11, we have done M.C.Q. 1 to 34, and today we'll start from number 35. So our first question is, what is ribbon? And options are direction of documents, title, list of comments, serialized by picture, list of comments according to the word, list of editing serialized in the picture. So which one will be correct? Okay, our correct answer will be option C, list of comments according to the word. Now come to question number 36. Typing in computer is so advantageous because connection can be made very quickly, can be preserved easily, can be arranged in different ways. Which one of the following is correct? Option A, 1 and 2, option B, 1 and 3, option C, 2 and 3, option D, 1, 2 and 3. So here the correct answer will be option D, 1, 2 and 3. 37. Icon means in computer language a small picture, a large picture, a huge picture, a wide picture. Can you guess what would be the correct answer? I hope you guessed the correct answer. It will be option A, a small picture. Icon means in computer language a small picture. Now come to 38. To store any written file in computer is called editing, save, Photoshop, minimize. Which one is correct? Option B, save. Save is the correct answer. And 39. Main input device of word processor is keyboard, monitor, CPU, speaker. Which one will be correct? Option A is correct answer. Keyboard. Keyboard is the main input device of word processor. Now come to question number 40. To preserve a file by the help of keyboard control button, hold, be kept pressing. Should be kept pressing. Sorry, here S will be added. To preserve a file by the help of keyboard control button should be kept pressing, and options are before pressing the S button, after pressing the button, after pressing the K button, before pressing the A button, after pressing the D button. So here the correct answer will be, can you guess? Okay, here the correct answer will be option A, before pressing the S button. Before pressing the S button, okay, is the correct answer. Now come to question number 41. What is the name of largest network which is connected with many computers in the world? Options are mobile network, land phone network, internet, hyperlink. So here our answer is option C, internet. Now come to question number 42. In which year internet was started? 1959, 1969, 1979, 1989. Correct answer is option B, 1969. Okay, now 43. What is the name of the website which is used for finding the information from internet? First, web browser, hyperlink, search engine, email. Which one is correct? Can you guess? Yes, here the correct answer is option C, search engine. Number 44. Which one is called information superhighway? Email, mobile phone, internet, land phone. Okay, saying the answer here, our correct answer will be option C, internet. Internet is called information superhighway. Now number 45, which is the best means for making digital Bangladesh? Optical fiber, computer, internet, mobile. This one is also internet. So option will be C. Now come to question number 46. Which thing is first considered to be suitable for searching any song? Options are internet, Twitter, mobile SMS, LAN. Obviously it will be option A, internet. Number 47. Which one is needed for downloading book from website? Options are printer, antenna, barcode reader, internet. So here option is again option D, internet. Now come to question number 48. What is MP3? Video format, audio format, picture format, document format. So our answer will be option B, audio format. 49. Which connection with the computer is needed to make an online application? Here are our options: pen drive, printer, scanner, internet. So we have to put tick mark in option D, internet. Number 50. By using internet, we can download book, download song, read about necessary information. Which one of the following is correct? Option A, 1 and 2. Option B, 1 and 3. Option C, 2 and 3. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. Can you guess which one is correct? Students, can you guess? Yes, our answer will be option D, 1, 2 and 3. Now come to question number 51. How many computers were connected in first internet? Options are 2, 4, 30, 40. Yes, option will be B. It's 4. Okay, now 52. How many things are needed to see the website on internet? Options are 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, it will be 2. That means option B. So our next question is question number 53. Question is, which device keeps billions of computers connected? Our options are switch, hub, router, modem. Can you guess what will be the correct answer? It's router. Okay, that means option C, router. Now number 54. What is the name of the process to present personal information to others on internet? Options are website, satellite, network, program. Okay, you have to put tick mark in option A, website. Now come to question number 55. What is created by the connection of different networks? Network of computer, network of network, software network, web network. So 55 will be option B, network of networks. Now come to 56. Rashid is a network engineer. What does he use to connect different networks? Options are modem, antenna, optical fiber, router. So here answer is router, option D. Now I'm reading the stem. Kamal's computer has internet connection, but in absence of a software he could not browse internet. Read the above stimulus and answer to the question number 57 and 58. First option 57. Which software's absence has made Kamal fail to browse internet? Options are word processor, web browser, search engine, antivirus. And our answer will be web browser, option B. Now 58. What will Kamal have to write in the address bar of web browser to enter any website? Address of website, name of website, address of user, name of user. Obviously the answer will be option A, address of website. Now come to question number 59. Website of NCTB is www.nctb.government.bd, www.nctb.government.bd, www.educational.bd, www.nctbgovernment.bangladesh. So here our answer will be option B, www.nctb.government.bd. Now 60. Internet is called interconnected network because it is connected with many computers in the world. There is a facility of personal communication with innumerable people in the world. There is an opportunity to communicate with any person of the world. Which one is correct? Option A, number 1. Option B, 1 and 2. Option C, 2 and 3. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So can you guess what will be the correct answer? Yes, it will be option B, 1 and 2. Now come to question number 61. While using computer, everybody should be careful about time, mental fatigue, electric connection, insulation, weather. Which one will be correct? Okay, our correct answer will be option C, electric connection. Now come to question number 62. What work is to be done at first while cleaning hardware? Options are switching off your computer, ensure the presence of fire extinguisher. Number C, disconnect the electric connection of room. Number D, disconnect the electric connection of computer. So here we have to choose option D. Number 63, signals those are sent from our brain through nerves is electric signal, light signal, very low in amount. Which one of the following is correct? A, option A, 1 and 2, option B, 1 and 3, option C, 2 and 3, option D, 1, 2 and 3. So here our answer will be option B, 1 and 3. Now 64. Karim repaired his virus affected computer by purchasing a CD from the market. Which CD did Karim purchase? Options are music, movie, drawing, antivirus, CD. It will be option D, antivirus, CD. Option D, question number 65. What will happen if the little children become addicted to computer games and do not play in the field? Options are they will be mentally fit, they will be mentally sick, they will be physically well, they will be free from disease. Here the answer will be option B, they will be mentally sick. Students, I hope you have understood today's topic, and please keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.